Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Today in this video I'll show you how to make a very beautiful designer turban. It's also called Pagri. First I took a cardboard, a size of 50 cm by 2 cm. I have marked 2 cm from one side. Now I will bend this cardboard a little by pressing it with my hand. Leave 2 cm and stick the sellotape on the cardboard and smooth it down by using sellotape. I have taken 4 cm more than baby's head circumference. We will add two ends of the cardboard with sellotape. Now I have taken a piece of pink cloth. I will wrap this cardboard with pieces of cloths with the help of glue gun. Wrapping is complete. This time I took a golden net, a green color net and a pink color cloth. I took the length of these three pieces of cloths to be 45 cm. I will add these three cloths with pink color thread. Now I will make a very beautiful braid. I have made two of these same braids. Now I will add this braid to the main base with the help of a glue gun. I will add a braid to the top of the main base and apply it along the bottom line with a glue gun. This braid will be divided into 3 equal parts. We will come back once while the first part is attached. We will now go to the opposite direction. I will not attach the whole of it now. I will leave the last part a little. Now we will attach the next braid to the main base. Continue to attach along the top line. Now we will come back again. Now we will turn the first braid and attach it inside. Now I will turn the second braid and attach it inside. Now I will apply the decorative lace for the little decoration. A 22 cm solid paper and I will wrap it with the pink cloth. Now I have used Fevicol. Cut another piece of cloth and cover the remaining white part. Golden color ribbon, while I will attach it with a glue gun. I will apply the pink lace that I used in the main base. it some folds. Continue to fold it little by little. With some pearls. I have using nylon thread here. Now I have taken 2 pieces 6 mm, 1 piece 10 mm, 1 piece 5 mm, 1 piece 10 mm egg shape, 1 piece 5 mm, 1 piece 10 mm, 2 pieces 6 mm pearls. We will continue to add pearls in the same way. We will continue this same process 5 times in total. The folded part to the inside of the pagri. Now I have cut a round shape cardboard. I will wrap it with the same pink color cloth. Now I will cut another round shape piece of cloth to give it a little finishing. This time I took peacock feathers. We know Lord Krishna loves peacock feather. Now these feathers will be attached to the cardboard with a glue gun. Now we are making the decoration. Now we need peacock feathers, pearls, coloring, ball chains and fevicol for the decoration that we are making. Now we will make a pearl design to add to the middle. I will take it for that a big flower shaped beads, 4 pieces 6 mm pearls, 1 piece 5 mm, 1 piece 10 mm, 1 piece 5 mm pearls, and the needle will leave the last 5 mm pearls and pass it through the upper 10 mm and 5 mm. Now I will take 4 pieces 6 mm pearls. Now tie the knot. It's very easy to make but just a little time consuming. In this case I will use fevicol. This time I will continue to add ball chains. Now add 10 mm egg-shaped pearls to the borderline. Taken some pieces of cloth and we will shear them roughly and add them. Now add these two things with the help of glue gun to the main pagri. Apply the feather design over the pagri and I will attach the cloth part from the inside. Now we will cover the empty part in the middle with some decorative flowers. Now our Lord Krishna's pagri is ready. Hope you like this design very much. If you like it, please give it a like and comment and let me know how you feel. And please support our channel by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching our full video. Bye bye dear.